good evening to all of you. And first of all, a big thank you for coming here today and showing us your support. My name is Nupur Thapar, if anyone doesn't know yet, and I am nominating myself for First Year Rep International. It is incredible to see the diversity of culture and experiences that we have in the MBA program here at University of Alberta. I mean, I remember my first day of orientation and I looked at the people and I'm like, wow, this is crazy. The number of international students that we had and even the various countries, I mean, the outreach of the Alberta MBA program to so many countries in the world is what astonished me the most. And I feel that the transition from being an international student to just infusing in the Canadian culture and ways has to be a smooth process. And this is exactly where a First Year Rep International and VP International play an unequivocally important role. These two people are the first point of contacts for all incoming international students. And as they say, first impression is the last impression, and you do not want to ruin that. You want to make a huge first impact, and you want to ensure that you strike the right chord with all incoming students. They are new, they are unexperienced, and they need your support and guidance to take their first initial steps. And the responsibility just does not end here. It's only the beginning. Every student that comes to the MBA program wants to be heard and represented. Thus, giving the right platform and organizing relevant events is very important because it's going to help ease out the transitioning process. For me personally, I think what is going to make the most impact on this transition process is bridging the gap between domestic and international students. These are like two ends of a spectrum who have to meet in between to make real bonds and real connections which are going to last forever. And it is important to make these real relationships because when you meet new people, it is very difficult to trust new people and make new friendships. However, what is really going to matter is just the intent to take that first step and be friends with each other. Developing lifelong relationships and friendships is the bigger, greater purpose here, and this is what I intend to bring in. Organizing the right events and giving the right platform which can showcase the talents of international students as well as the domestic students, and providing that platform where they can interact is what I intend to bring in. I want to make sure and ensure that every student, whether domestic or international, it doesn't matter, have to have that intent to form relationships. And my own experience as an event organizer and planner is really going to help me understand what events are going to make a difference. So I think that I can really leverage on my experience as an event planner, and I have done in the past and will successfully implement so in the future as well. In order to make all of this happen, all we need is your support. So we are here to represent you and your best interest. So I would request all of you to come and vote for all the candidates that are nominating themselves here. And before I go, I would just like to say that I have been in Canada for exactly a year now. And my personal story of transitioning from being an Indian to a Canadian is going to prove as the biggest asset for me. I do know what people are looking for. I do know what comfort one needs when they are coming to a new country and what things can actually make an impact on those experiences. So having said that, nothing is more important than having and receiving a warm welcome. So seeing the best of both worlds, I think I'm ready to take on this challenge and this responsibility of helping all the international students develop relationships with their Canadian counterparts, which are going to be real and genuine. May the best person win. Thank you.